everybody, Holli here from HolliDay AnyDay, and today we're going to make kind of an interesting concoction for what's Holli drinking. And I thought I'd go ahead and show you how to make the vodka, and then we'll make the cocktail. So we're going to make a pink peppermint martini. Sounds kind of cool, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to make some peppermint vodka. Super easy to do. All I've got a half a cup of crushed peppermint candy. I actually bought it crushed at the market. To that, we're going to use our Diamond Glacier 33 vodka, and we're going to add 12 ounces. Now the nice thing about this, the really nice thing about this, is that it only takes like an hour to taste yummy and to infuse. So I just put in a little mason jar here. I'm going to give it a quick shake. And then we're going to set them aside, okay? I happen to have some I already made. So what we're going to do with this, see how pink it turned? It's really tasty. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a few ounces of this guy into our shaker. This is definitely a holiday cocktail. I don't think you'd want to drink it all the time. It's pretty sweet, it's very minty, but very good for the holidays. So we got that, we've got some white creme de cocoa. We've got a little tiny bit of half and half, just a splash. And I'm gonna use a splash of agave because it just needs a little extra sweetness for that peppermint, maybe that much. Okay, to that, let's go ahead and add some ice. As you can see, we've prepared a cute little glass coated with peppermint candies around the outside edge. Give them a shake. Very tasty. It's like a holiday dessert in a glass. Definitely would replace dessert. Look how gorgeous is that? Oh my goodness. Ooh. So let's give it a taste. See how it tastes. It's so yummy. It's just so unique. And little crunchy peppermints around the outside edge. Oh, give that a go for your next party and impress your guests. It's easy breezy.